I just looked out the window and it's like complete snow now. The other day was like sleeting, but now it's, look at that.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it's snowing.
Nice.
This is our first actual snow of the season. Came a little early this year.
Yeah, it actually is.
It's literally been like 5 minutes since the last clip, and it's already sticking. So I'm just putting on a pair of shoes right now so that I can take my first step out into the snow. Alright, ready? Look at that. It's completely white. This is magic. That was really cold. Wow. Oh, it's so warm inside. Oh boy. See, it is nice to be inside. Look at that. When I was a kid, I used to love waking up to the white, snow-covered grounds. I just, like the unexpected snowstorms are the best, absolutely the best. And then as you get older, you start to not get as excited anymore, just because you have to commute, you gotta get to work, or, things like that. I don't know how long this is gonna last, and I don't know if it's gonna rain and everything's gonna melt, but I really hope it sticks. I mean, it's sticking already, but usually, by the next day it turns into slush. But hopefully this time it stays cold enough so that it stays, and I just want to enjoy it for a couple days. So apparently there's a snowfall warning now, and it's getting heavier and heavier. Look at that. Today's actually supposed to be the last day of classes of the semester, just before final exams. But it seems like it's going to be canceled or something. I honestly don't know yet. But it looks like the buses aren't running and classes and exams are canceled until further notice. So I don't really know when the roads are going to be open again, but yeah. The thing about living on campus is that you don't really have to worry if the buses are closed or not, but as you can see, it's pretty crazy. I highly doubt that the gym is going to be open, but I'm just going to give it a shot. Just go there. It's only like a 10-minute walk away. See if it's open. And see if I can get an hour or two of a workout. Holy cow, this is quite a lot of snow. Whoa, look at that. Just in a couple hours. Holy cow. It is ridiculously cold right now, and I'm definitely not wearing the right shoes for this weather. My socks are soaked, and I'm not even at the gym yet. So it looks like all the doors are still locked. I don't think people can get up on the mountain right now. Alright, so I'm getting kicked out. They officially closed. So pretty much I was 20 minutes into my workout, and the guys came up to me and told me to leave. It's like a ghost town. It's crazy because literally just yesterday was like the sunniest day in the past month, and today it's completely flipped 180 degrees, and we are 20 centimeters deep in snow. That's crazy. Look at that. Outside. It's freezing outside. Here. Showing my view from the balcony. This is the view. Look at that. I just took a 3-hour nap and this is what I woke up to. Like there's more snow. It's like 30 centimeters now. Like holy cow. What's going on? This is actually crazy. Snow is, look at that. Look how deep this is. We are heading to the parking lot to check out Ari's car. It's probably buried pretty deep in the snow. Probably won't even be able to see it. I don't know if we'll do that. I mean, oh, I can't even look at that. Where is your car? Holy cow.
Yeah, this is quite deep. I'm not getting out of there.
This is Ari's car. This is crazy. Oh my god. Good luck shoveling that.
Thank you.
Oh my god. That's a good photo. Absolutely freezing. There's our neighbor.